Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Nick Marianos with us once again. We are keeping you busy and on your toes, aren't we?
We are watching a good amount of thunderstorms earlier today, especially. Right now we still have the stow for the Sierra, right? That's going to all wind down tonight, and then before that, the thunderstorms will wind down in the valley. But there's still some activity out there. A little bit of a break for a bit. Yeah, in fact, a warming trend as we get into the rest of the week. So that'll be nice. But let's show you what's happening right now, because there are still some thunderstorms going on, some new ones that are developing. So I'll walk you through region by region at this point. And we want to start off further to the south and east of town as you get over eastern parts of Stanislaus and San Joaquin counties, where there are some new thunderstorms developing also along the base of the foothills. And as some of this activity continues to spread east over some of the higher elevations, we'll see bursts of some heavier snow when the precipitation rates move into and over the colder surfaces. But nonetheless, out toward Placerville, seeing pockets of some steadier and heavier rainfall, but more so the flare-up of thunderstorms down to the south from Rancho Calaveras all the way south to 26, and that's where you have a cluster of cloud ground lightning strikes, very noisy thunderstorm activity heading on, developing down to the south. We'll watch that cell as it continues moving east, because certainly small hail is more than likely under that, along with torrential rainfall and the dangerous cloud ground lightning. So that's moving south and east with time. The big picture across northern California still shows some unsettled weather kind of spinning around the area of low pressure, and a lot of the activity continues to advance down well to the south over the Central Valley as well. So getting into the rest of this evening, by 8 o'clock tonight, a few light showers left over. All this activity will decrease and dissipate over the valley sooner than later. You get up in the Sierra and the snow showers will dwindle down overnight. And then tomorrow starting off quiet, and I think tomorrow for the most part will be a very quiet day, certainly compared to today. The exception will be renewed snow showers over the higher elevations of the Sierra, but really not amounting to a lot of additional accumulation with any snow showers that may develop tomorrow. So that said, new snowfall going through this evening, through the overnight hours, but 1 to 3 inches of new snowfall for Blue Canyon, 3 to 6 inches from Donner down to Kirkwood. Could see up to 8 inches of new snow. Bear Valley a little bit higher, 5 to 10 inches. Pinecrest 4 to 8 inches, and the heaviest really from now through about 10 p.m. and then minimal after that, getting into the early morning hours. Chilly night ahead of us too. Temperatures will be down into the upper 30s, low 40s across the Sacramento Valley. Very chilly start to your Wednesday morning, but with the sunshine tomorrow, we will see a nice recovery back into the mid 60s. And then thereafter, a warming trend is underway, and that's going to be a treat, I'm sure, by the time the weekend rolls around. So the forecast getting into Thursday, Friday, the warming trend starts. Saturday, Sunday, lots of sunshine, mid 60s. And then you can see we continue that trend into this well into the upper 70s, getting into early next week with plenty of sunshine for the valley, for the Sierra. A couple rain snow chances between now and going into Wednesday, but otherwise enjoy the sunshine later this week. Marley.